everybody. Thank you for joining me today. I have a couple of days off in a row and I have literally a pile of boxes I haven't unboxed yet. So we're going to get started with one I've been looking forward to. Plain brown box holds the Bombay and Cedar mystery box that I bought. When I got my April box, I thought it was the mystery box and I totally messed up. But this surely is it because it's in a plain brown box. Let's open it up and see what I got. I think I paid like $54 for this with shipping. Alright, first item is, oh, it's kind of cool. It says Almost Famous. Oops. And it looks like it's a mini hairdryer. It comes in this cute little like pink hollow and it looks like it's purple and foldable. And it says Mighty and Mini Precious Metals Premium Mini Traveling Dryer in Twilight. That's cool. I have a hairdryer, but it's like from the 80s and someone gave it to me, so this will be nice. Next, let's see. Oh, I got one of these in the April box and I really like them. They are Mandarin and Basil makeup remover wipes and they're infused with CBD. Like I said, I really like them. They're a good size cloth. They're plenty wet. They smell okay. And they work really well. So you can never have too many wipes. What else did we get? I see a piece of jewelry. Looks like it's from Wanderlust & Co. Oh, okay. I think I had this in a couple boxes back. It's the 14 karat gold. I thought this was like it doesn't say. It says, by Inspired Hearts for Your Adventures. It was, what am I trying to say? Birthstone? It says it's the September gold necklace. Yeah. Let's open it so you can see it a little better. Looks like it's a moon, maybe. A moon with some stars, and then it's got the blue stone in the middle. That's pretty. Oh, this part, oh, okay, it's double-stranded, I think. That part goes right there. There's white and blue stones on that. Constellation. Is that the word I was trying to think of? Yes, I think it is. Right. Again, my sister really loves moons and stars and suns, so I may see if she would like this. All right, let's see what's next. I'm not sure if she likes gold or silver jewelry, but I see an essential oil. It's Refresh. You know how I like essential oils. This one is called Refresh. It looks like it has lemon, eucalyptus, cypress oil, and clove leaf oil. Let's smell it. I don't know if I've had this one before. Ooh. I can definitely smell, I think there's lemongrass in there too, does it? It doesn't say that. It says lemon eucalyptus. Maybe that's what I'm smelling. Lavender. That'll be nice. What up? What up next? I see a book. Oh, cool. It says The Little Book of Self-Care. It's got this pretty rainbow pattern on it. And the back it says Reconnect Your Mind, Body, and Spirit. 200 ways to refresh, restore, and rejuvenate. Okay, so each day there's a little activity. Let's read a title of a random one. Don't give in to gossip and get low maintenance pet. Well, that's kind of neat. That'll be a fun book to flip through. And it's a hardcover book. Next, let's see what this is. This looks familiar. It says it's a body tonic oil skin remedy blend by Delia Organics, natural skin therapy. It looks like it has sunflower oil, olive oil, coconut oil, evening primrose oil, candela, sweet almond, vitamin E, lavender, tea tree, geranium, and chamomile. Apply to skin after showering or bath to give your skin a healthy glow and deeper hydration. This will be nice for, like they said, when you spray when you get out of the shower, get your skin ready for some summery clothes. It smells good too. So that'll be cool. And, oh, I've been wanting some of these. These are 8 tea tree nose strips. So, when I was younger in high school, the Biore nose strips were really popular, and I always like to do those. So these will be fun. I should help give them to my daughters and let them have them too. There's 8 of them. There's plenty. Neat. I really like that. That's probably my favorite thing. And I have one more thing, and I got this one in last month's box. The Super Eye Duo. It comes with a lash boost serum and a volume mascara. Actually wearing the mascara today. I was using the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes, and it started to get goopy and thick. So I used this mascara today, and I liked it. It took a couple coats, but there's the brush, the wand. But it's good, and it stays put. And then this lash serum is supposed to help your lashes grow. I haven't tried that yet. I just never think to use it. Is that all? Okay, I think that's everything. Let's review. We have the Duo from Dime. We have the makeup remover wipes, which I need plenty. We always use those. Kind of cool. That I just threw and can't reach was the hairdryer. It's a nice purple color. Comes with a bag. We got the body oil. My favorite, we got the nose strips. We got this pretty necklace. It's double-stranded and it's gold-plated. And we got the book of self-care. And you can't have a Bombay and Cedar box without having an essential oil. So overall, I think that was really nice. I love getting mystery boxes. You know, you always have the risk of getting something that you don't like, but lately I've been doing pretty good with my mystery boxes. Haven't gotten anything I don't absolutely hate, so thank you for joining me. And like I said, I have more boxes coming up, so subscribe, maybe hit the notification bell, and you will see what I got next. Thanks. Bye-bye.